what's up? I'm Jake from Yummy Gummy Bears. For today, Drew's going to be tasting some stuff. Okay, so do you want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, 7, or 8?
8.
Okay.
Oh no. Oh, tell him the rules.
Okay, so he can't throw it up. He can't like spit it out. He can't spit out onto his hand. He can only have a little. He can have some water though, but not too much because then that's just kind of.
Okay, I smell something that smells so bad.
Here's your water right here.
I can't see it.
It's right here. And a little farther for the hand stretch. Yeah, there.
Wait.
Okay, so he can't do any of that stuff as I just said. So let's get to it. He picked 8.
Yeah.
Here. No, here. You hold it. Now slurp it.
Don't smell it, just eat
Slurp it.
Now open up your mouth.
Open up your mouth. Come on, man. Get it in there. Chomp. Chomp.
What is this?
Guess.
Jalapeno?
Yup. You hate me now? Do you need water? Okay, you can spit this one out. This is your only one. So chunky. So chunky. There's enough water, man. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8.
1. Is it another bad one?
You don't smell. You're not allowed to smell.
Ooh.
What is it?
So good, I don't want to guess.
Okay.
It has nothing in it.
Mm-hmm.
It's covered with like a chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Is it those turtle things?
Yes.
It is?
Wait, no.
Wait.
Granola bar.
Yeah.
Oh, I
Okay.
love those things.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7.
6.
Okay, open your mouth. You have to.
Wait, what is it? Is it?
Swallow it.
Swallow it. Wait, there's a little more.
No.
I'm fine. No water. No more water.
No.
No.
You have to. Do you want me to swallow it or not?
Yes. Okay. What do you want? 2,
More, I need more.
I need more. No. 2, 3, 4, 5, or 7. 2, 3. Okay, gross. 2, 3, 4, or 7.
Water. Thank you.
2, 3, 4, or 7. Why? That's your seat, contestant. Okay, it's right here. Now sit down.
Drew.
Do you want 2, 3, 4, 5, or 7? 2, 3, 4, 5,
Drew,
or
choose
7.
5.
Open your mouth.
Wait, what is it?
Open your mouth.
Wait, you did all the top bad and all the...
Open your mouth.
Yeah.
Open your mouth. No. What is it?
I couldn't even feel it.
It's just slimy. What is it?
It's so disgusting.
No. No, you can't spit it. Okay, you can spit it. Oh, Christ. Okay, spit it out.
What was that?
Butter. Oh, you got a little something.
Couple more.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, or 7.
That's for your punishment.
2, 3, 4, or 7.
2.
So, open. You don't even like it already?
Well, yeah. Everything you're giving me sucks. It's just that I want to do. Oh, that's good.
What is it?
No, that seems to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
What is it?
That's a cake thing.
The whipped cream.
Buttermilk pie.
Yeah. Okay, 3, 4, or 7.
7.
Slurp it. Oh, what is it?
A little more.
Stop. I can choose how to do it.
Towel.
Chocolate. Chocolate. Hershey's.
Hershey's chocolate.
Yes. Okay,
Oh.
3 or 4.
3.
Okay. Just a second.
It all has that mixture thing. It's all mixed. It's What? Is this zucchini? What is it? What?
Should I tell? It's one of those mini potatoes.
Ah, it's not good.
What's the
If it
last?
was cooked and it was fried, then it would be
Do you want 4 or something?
Last one.
4.
Open your mouth.
Just eat it. Ooh, marshmallows.
Yep. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye.